Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the phone number is exact and saved in international format. This reduces mismatches. Open Instagram and go straight to Settings, then the Discover People or Account Center where contact syncing lives. Grant the app permission to access contacts so Instagram can compare numbers to accounts. Once done, trigger a manual sync or refresh the Discover list. This forces Instagram to check recent changes. Make sure to use the number you saved and confirm the contact name so you can spot matches quickly. After syncing, open Discover and scan the contact suggestions for accounts linked to phone numbers. Instagram surfaces these differently than username search. If nothing appears, resave the number with and without the plus sign or with the local dialing prefix. Different formats can reveal hidden matches. Then use the search bar to try the contact's name or likely usernames. Sometimes the phone link appears as a suggested profile. Also check mutual followers and profile details. They help confirm you found the correct person. To finish, verify the candidate account by checking bio details, mutual followers, and any linked contact info so you avoid misidentifying someone. If you still can't find them, ask the person directly for their Instagram username or to confirm which number is linked to their account. If syncing fails, troubleshoot by toggling contacts sync off and on, reinstalling the app, or checking phone permissions. Make sure Instagram has access. Finally, be patient. Changes can take 24 to 48 hours to propagate across servers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.